Hey everyone, this is Anna here. I just wanted to give you a quick preview of what's going to be available in September now. This is part of my Under the Sea collection. I don't have all the pieces here, but I wanted to give you a little information about my process. So I paint them, I like to paint at the greenware stage, which is before the first firing. And I judge that by how fragile the pieces are. The ones that I don't think it's as fragile, I go ahead and paint at greenware stage, which is these ones here are stoneware. And some of the porcelain ones I wait until after the first firing, so I will paint them at bisqueware. So as you can see, this is a cute one with a seal, and these are plain on the back and a little shorter. I have all different sizes and different clay bodies that I used. This is my first octopus mug that came out really cute, so I was able to paint it now. I'm praying for the kiln gods to look after my pieces. So